Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to disable your messenger chat hits on your messenger app. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to turn off the Facebook Messenger chat bubbles pop-up on your Android device, let's open up our messenger app first. After opening your messenger app, the interface will be similar like to this, where you can see a profile picture icon on the top left corner of your screen just beside the chats. Tap on your profile picture icon, and on this interface you can see all these options available. Scroll down, and under the category of preferences just above the app updates, you can see the chat hits option available over here, and you can see the toggle icon for the chat hits is currently turned on. If I tap on it and it turns to gray, then the messenger chat hits are now disabled, or the Facebook Messenger chat bubbles pop-up are turned off. And if I tap it over here like this and again it turns to blue, then the messenger chat hits will be enabled. And there guys, this is how you disable your messenger chat hits on your messenger. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.